Day for you, I have the September 2018 Doki Doki box. As always, this is a smaller box this month, so let's see what we got. Oh, I am not seeing a pamphlet, so I guess we are going to have to make a guess. So first thing is we have this cute little folder thingy for probably putting your little special documents. So we have characters on this side. We have cat. If you guys know the name of this show or anime or something, tell me. So we got some whales or sharks in here having some tea. And then we have what looks like is a pencil box. It's the Sumogoshi pencil box. So you can put your pencils in there. Next we have hold on, guys. Next we have a cute bird pen. Mine is in green. Let's see if it writes in green. Yep, it writes in green. So we have a green pen with cute little birds, and it also smells like a perfumey smell. I can't quite put what it is. So it is a scented pen. And we have our cute little birds. Alright, so the next thing in our box is this guy. I think it's from an anime. I particularly don't like this one because it looks grouchy and it's not very cute. So yeah, if you know what this character is, please tell me in the comments below. Like I said, I didn't get a pamphlet for this one. Either it forgot to be put in, or they just didn't put it in. Yeah, so that's what this guy looks like. I wish they would go back to little plushies instead of doing these little keychain plushies. Alright, and the last thing is a My Melody bento thingy. I think it's for rice, but I'm not 100% sure. So here's that. And that's all the things in our box. I'm sorry I don't know what any of this stuff is because they didn't give me a pamphlet. Alright, I hope you like, comment, subscribe, and I hope you check out Doki Doki by Japan Crate, and I will see you guys later. I hope October's box is really cool. I hope it's Halloween themed. Alright, I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.